guys, so this is my side of the room. The other side is my sister's, so I'm just going to show you guys my side. I'll probably show you guys a video of my sister's side in the other room tour video, because this is kind of like what I want my room to look like momentarily. I'm planning on maybe changing it because I want to have like a Sanrio theme, and I finally collected enough Sanrio themed like photo cards and key pictures that I can put on the wall. But for now, this is the way it's looked for a while, and this is more like a Korean K-pop aesthetic room, so I'll show you guys kind of how it looks. So let's start off with the very iconic wall. So here's, you walk into the room. It's just a door, plain door. As you guys can see, the whole room is just plain white because I was going for a more mature look and I wanted to get rid of the pink. And for a Korean aesthetic room, you definitely need like a plain white room. So this is the way the room turned out. This is the more like Korean aesthetic room. I do plan on changing it up later on and creating more like a Sanrio aesthetic room. Of course, a little bit more mature kawaii style, but I always wanted to try out like the Korean K-pop aesthetic room, so this is what I decided to go with. The color scheme I really wanted to focus in on was pink and purple. I really wanted to focus on those two colors. I thought they were so cute. So let's go ahead and look at the iconic wall here. So as you look over here, I have because I think it's called wainscoting on the walls. It's a very kind of Victorian, very Rococo aesthetic style before I left it, and I thought that I could really use these little bits and spaces for me to put those photo cards and cute pictures that I wanted to put on the wall. So here I have this wall here. Let me zoom in for you guys. So this is just different images of different things I like. So for example, I really do love Jungkook from BTS. He's my favorite member of BTS, and so I decided to get some photo cards that you guys probably saw in either the room makeover or I'm going to put it in this video. I'm not really sure. As you guys can see here, so these are the images. This is what I have here. I decided to kind of flip the image. For example, if you look at the image of Jungkook right up here, if you flip it, it does have an opposite side that says Jungkook and it's all pink, so I felt like that would work much better. So I just kind of like mixed and matched a couple of images that I really liked and then kind of flipped them over if I felt that would work a lot better with the look. Let me get closer for you guys to see all the different cards here. So this says hide and seek with me. I really wanted to focus on the color scheme purple and pink, so anything that I saw that was purple and pink that had those sort of colors, I really wanted to focus on. And that's really what was my inspiration. Here I decided to kind of organize them in a way that just kind of looked nice. I wasn't so sure because I've never really done this before. I looked up online on Pinterest for so many ideas. For this middle row here, I decided to buy this little clock. Let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys because it does light up. I'll be right back and then you guys will be able to see it all light up. Alright guys, so I just turned it on and this is how it looks all lit up. It looks really nice. So for this wall, I decided to get as many pink pictures I had, as well as you guys can see here, the images that I used for Jungkook were ones that had like the shades blue and purple. And then here you can see another really cute image over here that's primarily pink, and then an image of Jungkook wearing sort of like a lavender colored suit, and just a bunch of really cute pictures that I really liked of Jungkook. This one was really cute. It says friends, and it's like blue with a hint of pink and purple, which is really pretty. I gotta say, this wall is also one of my favorites. And I just kind of wanted to organize the photo cards and the images of Jungkook in a way that looks aesthetic. So this is the way these two look like. And then let's go ahead and look at the other side. When I was looking for a Korean aesthetic room, something that really came up, which I think is also considered like a Pinterest aesthetic room, was the this little heart mirror. If you guys saw when I was doing this home makeover, like the action mirror that I purchased, the pink wasn't a very pretty shade of pink in my personal opinion. I want it to be much more of a pastel pink color, so I did paint it, and I went to Michael's and got a paint, and I got like the color that I wanted, which really matches the pillow that you can see right here. But anywho, let's go ahead and get closer here. So this is my absolute favorite wall. I think it's so cute. So here you have your really cute heart mirror, which is quite popular in like the Korean aesthetic bedroom and the K-pop aesthetic like room as well. I wanted to get pieces that you would constantly see in these like Korean K-pop aesthetic rooms, so I decided to get that mirror. Once again, here you have an image of Jungkook, and then this really cute image with like a bear, and it's got that really nice purple lavender color that I was really kind of going for. And then here are more images of Jungkook looking handsome, and these really cute pictures with the color lavender and pink. And here you have like a bunch of really cute pictures with the shades like lavender and pink and kind of a couple hints of red right there. And then over here, let's go on to the side of the bed. So I decided to stay with this bed frame because I felt like it still looked quite cute, and I wanted to initially kind of create a room that looks like this one, where the bed, I think the bed is on the floor and it doesn't really have like a back frame. It's just honestly just on the floor, I think. So I decided, oh no, I don't really need a back frame, but I decided to kind of bring it back because it is white, and I also needed something to kind of keep these pillows sturdy and lift up like that. So, but I feel like it works out really well. It's plain white, it blends really well with the room, and does have a nice hint of kawaii aesthetic, which I really do like. And then as for the pillows, I was really inspired by this image, which you guys have probably already seen it if I showed it to you guys in the room makeover and kind of what I was trying to get. But here you guys can see there were different shades of different types of pillows. When I got these small miniature pillows, I was a bit worried because the actual pillows, like, they're really small. It just came with like the pillow cover, so I had to fold some regular pillows that I already owned. And I was worried that it wouldn't work, but it works really well because you can really see the pillows, like the ones in the back and the ones in the front, because of the difference in height, which was really good. So I have this really big, large white pillow. Here I have this really pretty lavender colored pillow with a nice pattern to it, which was a very iconic thing that I would see in my Pinterest, you know, my Pinterest board for the Korean aesthetic room. And then I have this smaller miniature pink one, and then this lavender colored one that's a little bit different from this shade, which is really nice. So these are really pretty balanced here. I really do love it. So you guys can see it from this angle here. Super cute. I really do love it. And it works really well with the side of the room right over here. So if you guys kind of take a look at it like this, it looks really pretty, really nice. And I actually really just love this like really nice pretty photo wall. What I love about the color scheme and the items I purchased is because I do love different types of aesthetics, and I love kawaii stuff, but I also like K-pop and a Korean aesthetic room. And just because I have such a plain room and, you know, these plain white covers, I can really play around and just change up the, you know, the photo cards and get different, you know, stickers and new posters, and it can really transform the room completely. I almost forgot to show you guys. So this little clock wall here, this little clock is a light up clock, and it tells the time, the temperature, as well as like the day, what day it is. So you guys can see up there how it looks. It's a really cute photo wall. I think it's so cute, and I got the photo cards. If you guys saw the video, I got them from Shein. They were so cheap. So if you guys are looking for some cute little posters like those, these are actually like little, I forgot what they're called. They're like postcards, I think they're called. And they were so cheap, guys. And because I was thinking, you know, I was trying to print them out, and if you buy ink, like, it's crazy expensive to buy ink and then, you know, print out the pictures, and if they don't work out really well, it's just a waste of money. So instead, I decided to just buy some, and these were really good quality. I mean, the image shows up really well. It looks really nice, and it was really cheap. So I'll try and leave a link to all the items and where I got them. Some of these items I got them from Amazon. Some of them I purchased them on Shein. So if you guys are interested, I'll try and leave a link to all the items that I got. Of course, the bed covers are plain white. I wanted to go with a very neutral look, and I noticed a lot of Korean aesthetic rooms, the covers were just plain white sheets that you would use, but it's just a plain white sheet here. It works really well for me because if I want to change things up a little bit, plain white sheets works for everything. If I want to go for another K-pop aesthetic vibe, because I do have more little cards and they're more like blue, which is really cute. I really like that vibe. So I feel like it's just also neutral, that if I decide to change my mind and just do more of a kawaii style or another K-pop color scheme, which I'm thinking of like blue and pink would be so cute, then I can easily do that because of just how plain and neutral everything is. Would definitely recommend you guys to check out Shein. They have so many cute postcards that you guys can go ahead and use that are very inexpensive. And then the little photo cards from jungkook photo cards, I got them off of Amazon. They were a really good price. This is my first time getting picture cards, I don't know what they're called, of like a K-pop idol, and I really like Jungkook. He's been like one of my favorite K-pop idols for the longest time. Here I have some, I think these are tulips. These are fake tulips or fake flowers, and they are in the shade pink and white. They got this really nice ombre effect, which I thought was really pretty, and I think it works really well for the room because I do have a lot of accents of pink over on this side. I got the iconic Korean aesthetic room side lamp. It's so cute, guys. I had seen it everywhere. I even looked up like this website on how to create like a Korean aesthetic room, like what are the basics, what do you need. and this showed up. And I was like, where am I gonna get it? And I think my younger sister, one of my sisters found it on Amazon. She said, hey guys, like I found this, and I you know, it's perfect. This is the lamp. It's so cute. I was so happy when I received it. My sister got another one as well. This is like her side, and then my other younger sister has one as well, but they're so cute, and it's a really pretty shade. I just love it so much. I'll see if I can find like the link to it so you guys can purchase it if you guys want it as well. I think it's so cute, and it's such a neutral color, and it works really well with like everything. So I feel like it just, I don't know, it's just a must-have item, and it's so cute and tiny. It looks like a little mushroom. It's honestly so cute. And then I ended up getting like this really cute calendar. It is not April right now, it is actually March, but I decided to leave it like this because I felt like the color worked really well. The color for March, let's go ahead and check it out. I think this was, yeah, it was green, so I didn't feel like it would work. I don't have a lot of green here. It would look kind of like weird with the color scheme, and I felt like pink would work so much better, so I left it with like this kind of pink calendar here. I'm not sure how well it works with it, but I got it for really cheap on Shein, and I wanted to get something to finish it off, and I felt like I really needed something here. I was using my sister's little camera for decor here when I would do videos, but it's not mine, and I really wanted to have something to just finish off the look here, and I felt like this worked better. I should probably get another calendar. It might not work necessarily, but I think it's still quite cute, and it kind of just finishes everything off really well. So this is the way it looks. So cute. I'm really obsessed with this look. Let's go on the other side. So this is my closet. Everything was painted white, as you guys can see at the top. Like, it's all painted white, and here you guys can see that my light changes raw. It used to be a chandelier, but I decided to get this one because I wanted there to be more light into the room, and with the chandelier there wasn't as much light going into the room, which I was a bit sad about. Let's go over here. So this is the way, this side is pretty plain. It's not that, like, you know, that wow, but it is very neutral and kind of gives me a little bit more of like a minimalistic aesthetic compared to my room, or how it was before. It was quite, there was a lot of stuff all over the place, which was really cute, but it did feel a little cluttered. So now it feels a little bit more minimalistic, and it's honestly a lot easier for me to keep it clean, so that's a good plus. Here I left my like really cute vanity table. My sister and I use this to put all our like pillows, our blankets, whatever that we're not going to be using before going to bed. We can just leave it here, but I also like to use it for setting Japanese, like having a nice little area. And then here I got this really cool chair. I got it off of IKEA. I went with my mom, and it was so cool. When I looked up like Korean aesthetic rooms, I found that these sort of really cool modern looking chairs are very like just key elements to a Korean aesthetic room, and I said, oh my god, I need to get this. It's really roomy, it's really cute. I absolutely love it. I think it's really cute. And it's a really nice blend between like kawaii, like Victorian aesthetic, because of this really cute detail right here, and just a really cool chair. So I think it worked really well. And then of course the iconic mirror. This is the full body mirror right over here. You guys can see it's really nice. I've always wanted to have a full body mirror, and yes, you guys can see this is my sister's room. You guys can see her little plushie right there, her Kogimium plushie right over there. I'll show you guys like a full tour of it once I change up the room. I am planning on going with a more like changing things up a little bit and creating a kawaii aesthetic room as well, like a more mature kawaii aesthetic. So once I change things up, which I might be doing soon because I've had this kind of Korean aesthetic room for a while now, then I will go ahead and show you guys my sister's room. I'll try and leave a link to her video. She also did do a room tour video, but I can also do it so you guys can see it, and that'll be kind of like a bonus. But that'll be in another video, and I'll be working on that soon. But anywho, this is a full body mirror. It's so cute. It's very long, and it's really nice to be able to just like look at my outfits. My mom has a full body mirror, and I would literally go to her room all the time to check my outfit. So it's nice to finally have like my own full body mirror. And it makes kind of the room feel a little bit bigger, so I really love it. And then here we just have our sheer curtains. They're really cute. We ended up giving some of the sheer curtains to our younger sister, so we don't have as much stuff going on here, but it's really nice. It worked really well with the room. This is pretty much the room. This is the way the room looks. I think it's honestly so cute. I love it a lot, and I was very happy with it for a while, but I do think I may be changing it up a little bit, going with a Sanrio style, but if I'm like sick of it, I can just easily put everything back. And that's the really cool thing about it. These photo cards and picture cards were not that expensive, to be honest, and I have a bunch of Sanrio themed items that I got from Japan and things that I've been collecting over the years that I could easily use. So that's what's really cool about the room, that everything is so neutral and sort of like minimalistic, but but I can easily add my own little cute twist to it. I did have a bunch of cute like cards of Sailor Moon. Like I could easily create a very cute Sailor Moon vibe with this. But the color scheme is so cute and I can really mix and match and create a completely different style, which I really love, and that works really well for me. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm not sure, I think this video is going to be pretty short because it's only like literally half of the room, because half the room is mine, sharing the other half with my twin sister. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a big like. That's the end of this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Please be looking forward to my future video. I'll be doing another like room makeover and show you guys kind of a mini room tour and show you guys just how easy it is to change things up on a budget. I'm really not going to spend any money. It's everything that I already own. I'm really excited for that video as well. So hopefully that'll be able to show you guys that you guys don't have to spend so much money on kind of remodeling your room. You can really just get general pieces that work for your style, and if you are one of those people just like me who loves different aesthetics, loves trying out different things, then maybe you guys can go with like a similar idea what I have, you know, plain sheets, you know, plain white wall, just getting things that would work for every style that you're interested in. But with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to follow me at @theofficial_Abby. I'll probably see if I can take some pictures of the room for this new little vibe. But we will see, and I don't know how long I'm going to keep this. Maybe I'll end up like loving it and being like, you know what, I'm going to keep this for like a long time. But that's the great thing about this, that I can even mix and match colors, mix and match, you know, photo cards, and it's just that easy. So, but this is my room. This is the way it looks currently. I think it's really cute. Once again, follow me at @theofficial_Abby on Instagram to get to know me just a little bit better. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I work really hard on these videos, and I'm so thankful to every one of you guys who have followed and commented and subscribed and become part of the Kawaii family. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel to be part of the Kawaii family. And with that, I'll let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!